We guide you through how to scan QR code on your Android phone quickly and easily. First, unlock your device and open the camera app since most modern Android phones like Android already have built-in QR scanner. Then point your camera steadily at the QR code, making sure it's clearly visible on your screen. Wait for a notification or link to pop up and tap it to open the content, whether it's a website, app, or menu. If nothing appears, don't worry, just open your quick settings and look for a feature called Scan QR Code or use Google Lens by tapping the lens icon in your camera or installing it from the Play Store. Once opened, simply scan the QR code again and tap the result to proceed. This method works on most Android devices and is the fastest way to access QR code without downloading extra apps.